Let's learn how to schedule to enable dark mode automatically. Now I am using light mode. Let's learn how to convert it into dark mode. Go to mobile settings. Scroll down this page and go to display option. In here you can easily enable dark mode. If we want to enable dark mode automatically in custom time, we can schedule it. To enable this feature, click on dark mode settings option. After you can turn on this feature, you can set it into sunset to sunrise option and you can set it to custom schedule. In here you can set a custom time to enable this dark mode. If you enable this dark mode, you can save your battery and you can get a beautiful look to your mobile.